Hi, welcome back. Today is a Sunday and I'm bored. I work 5 days this week and today is the only day that I'm off. And I'm back tomorrow, work for another 3 days. And I'm on annual leave starting on Thursday. I'll be meeting my friend Laika in Barcelona till Sunday. So come and join me on a Sunday boiling these plantain bananas I've got from Earl's Court. And I also got 2 tubs of kakanins, a tub of kachinta with real coconut, and leche flan, a very hamis leche flan. I'll show it to you later. So this is my first time using a tripod, filming myself, and I was laughing deep inside me because I'm such a trying hard. I couldn't remember cooking a perfectly boiled banana than today. I miss cooking proper Filipino food. I'm only limited to a few because this kitchen doesn't have enough ventilation, and I already set the alarm twice. It's difficult because everyone must go down and security will check the whole building, and I don't want another one in the near future. This is such a comfort food. I couldn't wait to go home to the Philippines for a holiday, but not this year. But hopefully next year we could go home all together. This video that you can smell, it's very langsa but it's very delicious. Only Bisaya knows. I feel bad putting this in the bin, but it's already expired because I don't normally use milk with my coffee. But then, pag na ako'y bisita, kailangan ko mo palit og gatas. Kay mangita sila gatas, which I don't normally have. Time check, it's 11 o'clock in the morning and it's brunch time. So how do you like your coffee done? Mine's, I like it Nescafe Gold with brown sugar. Usahay, ganahan ko mag Great Taste Brown Barako or Nescafe Original 3-in-1. Kana lang. I don't use milk with my coffee because I don't drink milk. I'm not lactose intolerant. Maski wa mo ng tana, but I don't like the taste of the milk. And let's add some aromatics. So this is from Yuji. My friend Marielle gifted this to me last Christmas. And it doesn't really give that much aroma, but it really smells so good. And look at these daffodils. And look at that sky. Earlier, like 5 minutes ago, that was blue sky. Suddenly, ningit-ngit ragkalit. Bon appetit! I hope you had a very meaningful and worthy Sunday. Tomorrow is another work week, and I hope I will have a good week. Less pre-shift anxiety, if I must say. And these are the kakanins that I was telling you about. See that leche flan, hamis kayo, and that kuchinta is tastes like real kuchinta. Katong kuchinta sa palengke nga na ay lubi, pareha kayo. My Sunday is complete because of this saging and ginamos. I hope yours too. Forgive my katapulan. Diri na ako gibutang ang lubi kay kapoy na magawas. See that? It really tastes like real kuchinta. Coming up are my errands for today. To read this portfolio, to sort this e-visa, and to claim my travel insurance. But before that, let's get the laundry from downstairs.